Metz, so you guys have probably heard that things are changing. Things are moving maybe back to the way they were. Where we're at right now is this Sunday we are allowed to have church, which is a great thing. However, there's some limitations that we're going to have to deal with. Social distancing is still in effect, so we're going to have to rearrange our chairs so they're 6 feet apart. Now, they do allow for family groups to sit together. So church this Sunday might look a little bit different, but it'll probably look a little bit more normal because we get to meet together. So here's what I'm throwing out there for you guys. We will be open. If you guys feel like coming, I don't want to discourage anybody from coming. With that said, take in mind your own safety, your own concerns, your own comfort level. If you come, understand that we do have to abide by these rules. So the sanctuary will look a little bit different. What we're going to do this week, and we're going to play it week to week, and because we don't quite know when things will get back to where we can just pack the sanctuary. For this week, we are going to go ahead and treat it like it's like online. We're going to have the worship. It'll be on the screen, and I'm telling you, it's a great time in there, even though it's on the screen. And then I will be there to deliver the message, so that part will look different. But again, I'm wanting to stress and emphasize your comfort level. If you want to come, I would love to have you in church this Sunday. If you want to wait another week or possibly two, I understand that as well. Going forward, we are going to just play it by ear and see where we are at really day by day. We want to come together, and I want to do Easter again. But I want to be able to do it in such a manner where we can have everybody here. With the social distancing, with the 6 feet in between, that's going to limit how many people can be in the sanctuary. So those are just issues and things that we have to sort out. Hopefully, everything will be lifted relatively soon, and we'll be able to just all come in and meet together. But until then, we're going to play it safe. We're going to follow the rules, and we're just going to go from there. So this Sunday, I hope to see you. Remember social distancing. We can't do a lot of hugging. We can't do a lot of shaking of hands or anything like that. But just to see your guys' faces, just to get together, it'll be a great, great time. Again, if you don't feel comfortable quite yet, feel free to continue to stay at home. We will be broadcasting on Facebook Live just like we have been. Start the watch parties, do all that thing. But things are moving. Things are moving. That's what we can say, and that's what we can get excited about. So this Sunday, come on down if you feel comfortable, and I will see you then either way. Stay safe and have a great week.